Hey, what's up, fans? How's it going? It's me, Caesar, and
it's your boy Marty,
and you guys are watching
MCTV.
Well, we thank you guys again for tuning in for another video of me and Marty doing our stupid shit that we always do. Marty?
Man, you guys been killing it with those likes, showing us some love, hitting us up on Instagram, like, hey, we seen your video. Thank you guys. We do this for you guys. Actually, you know what? We can't thank you guys enough. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.
Subscribe. We're only 49 away from 100.
Yeah, guys, we're only 49 away from 100. Make sure you guys are subscribing, join the family, and we're the fastest growing channel on the internet. Just kidding, guys. We're not, but whatever. Make sure you guys subscribe. You know, as we all having fun here with more videos.
Yeah, so what we actually did yesterday, we were bored. We weren't really doing anything. We were just hanging out, me, Melissa, and Marty. What we did was we went ahead and pranked the beautiful man, George. We went to his job, and this is what happened.
I'm sorry, George. I can't believe we always have to prank you, bro.
Nah, fuck that. We're always gonna prank you. Let's go. Let's go to the clip.
Let's roll the clip for this video. What are we looking at?
Alright, fans, I have the silly string. We just saw him cleaning up. We're gonna go fuck everything up. Okay, ready? You guys ready?
I start walking in, just act cool, like, what's up?
What's up, sweet cheeks? What up?
What's up, bro? Here to get some supplements and shit.
What? What's wrong? You guys have something?
No. What's up, fam? What's up to the homie George? What's good, Chi?
Don't start. No. Ooh, don't do. I gotta work. Alright, I'll help you clean it up. Right. You have no choice.
Oh shit! Chill!
That's what happens.
Oh my god! You guys, Caesar loves messing with George. Oh my god. This is so crazy.
Alright, so that's what we went ahead and did yesterday. But we didn't just stop there. We didn't stop at George. We decided to
go to freaking Walmart, get some air horns, and just blow them and see people's reactions. I was like, you know what? Let's be savage.
It was, the Walmart that we went to was super crowded and we almost got caught.
Honestly, I didn't think there was going to be so many workers there.
Every single aisle was packed with freaking workers, dude.
So we're trying not to get caught and not get kicked out because you know how Walmart doesn't let you record? So we're like, damn, let's just try to get there, do it fast.
But we did fuck around a little bit and we
got some pretty good reactions.
With, some dances for you guys.
Let's show the clip. Let's go.
Alright, tell him.
So it's an idiot. Stupid ass.
Are you focused?
Run.
Thank you guys for watching. That's all we have for today. Pretty much, what do you guys think? Where should we go next? What should we do next?
I think that we should eat something crazy, but leave a comment down below. Let us know what you guys want us to do.
No more food challenges.
Food challenge? I want a food challenge.
I'm just kidding.
We're gonna eat the most spiciest things we can find because Marty's a little. Go ahead, catch his reaction. Let's go.
Yeah, I want to make Caesar eat worms.
Yeah, I'll eat worms. Marty eats spicy buffalo wings. Oh, Marty.
Well, thank you guys. You know, you guys been awesome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're only 49 away from 100.
Like we said, we're only 49 away from 100. That's nothing. Let's make it happen.
Thank you, fam. Thumbs up.
All right.
We out.
Woo!